That's dripping.
It's got that drip.
You got it?
For the chicken, right?
Sure.
This is what Edmund sold his family out for this. So I was wrong about my prediction, what I thought it was gonna be. I was way off.
Yeah.
But
Day 2. It's hotish in here. Alex, what did you think of yesterday?
It was fun. It was just I was dying because
This guy had no sleep, no water, and no food for like 12 hours.
you were literally watching me like
I told you to
kill
drink
myself right in front
water.
of you guys.
I told you to drink water so many times and you just
I
sat
was.
there. Because we bought it for you. Because they bought it for you. That's why you drank it. Otherwise you did nothing. No effort to get water.
He's changing the story.
I'm not. It's the same
That's
story.
true. I bought this to like.
They went out of your way to get water, liquid for you, dude. This guy. But what'd you think? What was your favorite ride though?
Probably Space Mountain. I think it's probably my favorite ride so far.
You, Chris?
I'm gonna go Space Mountain.
Say on it. Elise? What's your favorite ride?
Space Mountain, actually.
Space Mountain?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, for me I think it was also Space Mountain. One
The
what it's called.
Carousel of Progress,
The Carousel of Progress.
where it skips a lot.
Where it skips like 80 years. I don't know where to leave on at.
We're back at the house.
That's it? Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, dude. Even if for like maybe 10 minutes, this is already.
I'm sweating. Just spell my name right.
Alex, which location are we going to first?
Mexico.
Mexico. For a second, that you, yeah, the homeland. Oh, that shit dripping? That's dripping.
It's got that drip.
You got it? Bueno, bueno. Good, pretty good. Yeah? Pretty good. Drippy. Good? That's good?
Mm-hmm.
It completely ripped. You see it? It's pretty good. That is pretty good.
Two bites, alright. That's how much it is.
Mm.
Yeah.
How was it?
Why? Why are you asking me?
How was it?
That's really good.
Really
It's
good?
just cinnamon and butter. It's really sweet.
Alright, where are we at, Alex?
We're in China, bro.
You go, I guess you go first.
For the chicken, right?
Sure. Bueno?
Yeah, Peru.
Okay.
Pick a different chicken.
Now eat this.
Look at that, just like that.
Yeah, so close to the lens. I think it's gonna touch the lens a bit. Like you, my. Oh, they're crunchy. I'm for this guy.
Crunchy. Grab a spoon. I know where we're-
There we go.
Damn. What do you think, Ari? I don't know what kind this is, by the way.
Oh, okay. If I were you, I'm hoping it's a meat related.
There's vegetables in here,
Oh God, I'm so sorry.
but I wouldn't say it's just vegetables.
Okay. What are you expecting for this ride?
I'm expecting some like probably like Space Mountain or like that one Batman like that one indoor Batman ride at Six Flags.
Okay.
But yeah, the Dark Knight.
I'm expecting complete and total darkness.
Okay.
I'm expecting the plot of Guardians 4.
That ride was crazy. What do you think of it, Elise?
It was fun.
Fun.
It goes crazy fast. We were in the front. We were in the front. We went in the back, but we wound up in the front.
Yeah. Well, how you like it?
So I was wrong about my prediction, what I thought it was gonna be. I was way off,
Yeah.
but I'm also kind of glad because that was pretty fun.
Yeah.
I never been on a backwards one before, but
Yeah, that one's
was
dope.
Yeah.
What do you think of it?
Think of what?
The ride.
It was cool. I do feel motion sickness.
Yeah. How bad is your headache?
A little bit. It's not too bad.
It's not too bad? Okay.
And then this is the popcorn maple drink.
How is it?
It's okay. It's nothing special though. This is beef tenderloin with mashed potatoes and 2 carrots with gravy.
Honestly, it just tastes like this.
It's not bad, right? It's pretty good.
It is? We're in the UK.
Let's get the fuck out of here, dude.
Alright.
Black licorice.
All right. So then, like, remember in Narnia? This is what Edmund sold his family out for. For this. He sold out his family.
Dude, this thing better be good. Look at that. Everyone got one. Go for it. You go first. Or you guys, everyone open it.
Okay, show them. So it was $3.95, so $4.
$4 for this thing.
Oh, jeez.
Try it. Smells good.
Oh.
Oh no, I'm not. No, I'm nervous.
All right, let's see if this is worth betraying my family for.
It's not hard inside, by the way.
No.
What?
It's like jelly inside.
Oh,
Look.
wait. Oh, what the? I kind of don't want to eat this now.
It's not bad, but it's not.
What kind of jelly is this?
I'm really scared now. I'm really nervous about this shit. Dude.
Well, we paid $4 for this, so
No,
I
I
have to.
don't like it. I don't like that. Nothing. Does it betray his family for this shit, dude? You want mine?
No.
Good enough.
That's good.
What you want? How is it? Damn, you picked it up.
It's a skewer.
Oh.
That was good.
It's pretty good.
Alright, go for it. Good?
Oh, this is really good. You gotta try it.
What'd you think of it?
Oh, it was good. My first time going to a hibachi. I liked it.
What do you think,
It's amazing.
Chris?
It was quite the show.
Got my Loki helmet. Not gonna lie, Epcot was a little more fun than I initially thought. Alex had more fun here at Epcot than he did at Magic Kingdom.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's been the North
I was dying yesterday.
Yesterday was hot as shit.
It was.
Yeah, we got some rain too, which honestly felt nice. But yeah, Epcot, pretty fun. And right now we're walking to the exit because we were at the restaurant and the whole park's like empty. So we just got the whole park empty to ourselves right now. It's kind of cool.
Watched all his mistakes and I did my best to learn from. Change my motivation, the family's for certain. I'm not curious anymore. They're still calling me